We gon' burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Superfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
do you think I want this?
the Dsquared2 Glam biker boots from the Italian luxury fashion house and the creative minds of Canadian twins Dean and Dan Catton, the imaginative designers of one of the most original and biting brand in the international fashion scene. Dsquared2 offers up more of their signature mix of edgy and sensual with the full leg biker boots for women, helping ring in the new year of 2021 in style and kick this shoe season off right here at Superfly, only proving further that Superfly is without a doubt the best in women's shoes, reviews, news, and on-feet previews. If new to Superfly or desiring more super duper shoes, then smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And for all my superheroes out there, welcome back and thanks for continuing to rock with Superfly. Made in Italy, the Dsquared2 Glam biker boots takes glam to a whole nother level with its knee length combat style, cut out at the front, thick lace up ties to create a feminine contrast. Made from polished black leather, the boots are set on a slim spiked heel and thick leather sole, featuring finer details that include an open toe and rear zip closure. What's the word in Italy for sick? Anyone? Well, English will just have to do, as these boots are sick. Okay, they're not gonna stand without me re-zipping. What do you think? So offered in solid black, only at an original price. Oh. Okay, let's put that back. Offered in solid black only at an original price of $1,335 with a current markdown 50% sale price of $667 at Dsquared2.com. These leather leggies fit your legs like a glove. Think fitted spandex leggings, but in a boot. It's truly the best way to describe what these beauties feel like on. They're snug. Currently sold out in all sizes everywhere with no info on restocking. The athletically styled pencil thin stiletto heel elevates this pair of leather boots to a full platform height of 1.5 centimeters with a heel height of 12.0 centimeters and boot length of 39.0 centimeters. Holding your ankles with a sleek, polished leather look and tough boxer boot inspired look made of 100% calfskin polyester, running maybe about a half size smaller to size if lacing loosely. Now, I cannot lie to my superheroes out there. These are an extreme pain to lace and perfect fit for initial wear to ensure comfort and breathability, to avoid whelping from lacings and your feet from constantly sliding forward in the front opening of the boot, causing discomfort. But surprisingly supportive walking and steady. Let me warn you, these slim leg darlings are not for any casual strolling or for a night hanging out. These glamsters are strictly event attending where seating is permitted without shame to avoid any foot distress or leg distress. Or possibly back distress? No more, no less. These babies don't allow any room for slouching or bad posturing. However, because of their Superfly's design, Superfly originality, and Superfly look, I'm going to certify them Superfly. But, hold up. Wait a minute. While Superfly in style, they are more pain than gain and more pretty to look at than to wear. So barely. Maybe the mini version of the Glam are better suited for those that splurge only on the absolute worthy and don't necessarily want to put that much effort into wearing footwear. What do you say? As always, I'd like to know what you think. In the meantime, here's a closer look at the Dsquared2 Glam biker boots. Dsquared2 designers Dean and Dan Catton are about as close as two brothers can be. At 55 years old, the twins not only design together, but even live together and sleep in the same bed. A revelation that set the fashion world abuzz a few years back. But their rare closeness is partly the result of their shared and traumatic childhoods. In an interview with British Vogue in 2018, the twins spoke candidly about their difficult childhoods growing up poor and gay in Canada in the 60s and 70s, stating, We were 9 brothers and sisters in a 2-bedroom house, said Dan. There were 5 boys in one room and 4 girls in another room. Even when we got bunk beds, we both sleep together in the lower bed. It was more safe. Now, exactly what they were more safe from in that bed, they didn't say. Only that when outside their home, the 2 were constantly bullied. We came from a very poor family, said Dan. We dressed badly, we were feminine, we were everything possible to pick on, and it was fun for everybody. So in their misery, the twins turned to each other for support, citing, "We were being beat up together so we could cry together and we could hide together," said Dean. "If we're scared in the dark now, it's because of that. SHIT. We needed to sleep together, so if something's bad going to happen, I don't have to scream. He's going to be right there." When they were teenagers, the Cattons' parents could no longer afford to take care of them, and the Canadian government had to step in, with the twins being shuffled between various foster families and eventually placed with an abusive couple in Arizona. Again, the exact nature of that abuse was something the twins had been unwilling and have been unwilling to discuss further. It was during this time that the 2 were forced apart after the couple decided that Dean was too difficult to deal with and sent him away. The trauma of that separation, perhaps more than anything else the pair had suffered in their young lives, would seem to be at the core of their extraordinary closeness and their co-sleeping. "There was a moment in my life when I thought I was never going to see my brother again," said Dean. "That will never happen again in our life. So if we're afraid of the dark and need to sleep next to each other, then we're okay because there's no stronger power that can get us. It's not sexual, it's brotherly. We're a stronger force together, and F anyone who tries to divide us. We've been divided and we will never be divided again." Now, many may take issue with the way the brothers live, but I say trauma is real and so is pain. So survival over annihilation. What works for your sanity may not work particularly for the next person, but so long as you're not hurting anyone else, who cares what the next person thinks? It's your life and no one else. So to Dean and Dan and all the others out there just trying to cope and remain sane in a sometimes insane world, rock on and live your life. Hey, ain't got no time for no haters, so live your life. Happy New Year and wishing you all the best in 2021. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.